Whoop-de-doo. I just saw some lightning over there. Ah, there. See, I told you it wouldn't be that long. That was quick. It's kind of cool looking. Look at that. This is the last of that storm that went through the midsection of U.S. Now it's coming through Florida. This is the end of it. Thank goodness. You can see it coming through here. I'm ready for I just saw some lightning over there a minute ago. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. The birds know. Stay out here as long as I can, and then I have to run in. Just want to show you what we got today. See where it's at. For some reason, I don't know why I don't get messages. Let's see. See if it's working. What's that one? Green screen. Nope, don't want that. Back. We're playing here. I hit a green screen. Hold on, let me turn this off. However you turn it off, do I start all over again? Come on. No, I don't want it. Okay, there we go. There we go. I'm wondering if the chat's even on. You can see it coming in. There it is over here. It's already white. We've been sitting here waiting for this. I hope somebody... Oh. This is that same one that was in Mississippi last night. There you go. I had to run in here. Look at that. Woo! Is the chat even on? If somebody's here, can they say something? I want to see if it's even working. Because it's like the third time I've got on here, no chat.